So now let's see how we can invite out students in our Google Classroom. So to do that, you need to go around and open up your classroom first, and then over here what you need to do is you need to click on people, and over here you will be able to see teacher and student area right here. So in order to add in, or that is invite in students to join the classroom, you need to go around over here on the student section and then press the plus button right here or click on invite students. So once you do that, over here on the top you get the invite link over here as well, and over here you can see that you can go around and add in students as you like. Let's say, for example, I can go around and type in email address of the person that you want to add, and then what happens is that you can go around and add multiple email addresses as you wish right here. And then you can click on invite, and what happens is that those particular accounts will be added in as students right here. But in my case, you can see that this account is set as a teacher, and that is why I cannot invite them as a student right here. Sometimes what happens is that you might accidentally invite students as teachers, and in that case you can remove them and add them in as students later on. And you can see that an invite has been sent over here to these two email addresses right here, and it says that they are invited. So once they join the classroom, what happens is that you'll get the colorful profile picture over here just like this for them as well. And that is how you can go around and invite out students to your Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.